If you love painting, but you feel like you don't really have painting skills and you just want to make something simple and aesthetic, then this video will help you. Here are 10 beginner-friendly painting ideas that you can try even if you have no painting skills. Number 4 is the easiest one, and number 10 is my favorite. So let's start with the number 1, land and sky painting. Number 2, blue sky and tree branches. Number 3, wall and window. Number 4, sky and electric post. Number 5, simple flower painting. Number 6, boho painting. Number 7, night sky and moon painting. Number 8, simple painting on bookmarks. Number 9, pattern drawing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more drawing videos like this. Thanks for watching!